Have you ever wanted to go into law, but love science way too much? Well, a forensic scientist may be the right career for you. A forensic scientist is a mystifying career that blends criminal knowledge with natural science. Not only do they analyze crime scenes or run lab tests, they must make logical and analytical decisions based on the evidence they have found to make a case in court. Evidence can range from blood, hair, fingerprints, and much more. The industry of forensic science ranges from local, provincial, and federal governments to law enforcement agencies. Specialized and more experienced scientists may work for independent consultants or private forensic laboratories. A typical workday includes visiting crime scenes, collecting, preserving, and analyzing evidence, and testifying as an expert witness in trials or hearings. It may also include harsh crime and dead body. So, do you want to be a forensic scientist? Well, a certain education is required. Although you can get into any forensic science field in almost any type of science undergraduate program, there are few universities that have designated forensic science programs. Prestigious University of Toronto Mississauga campus has an excellent honors Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science program, providing students with knowledge of laboratory skills and field techniques. The recommended average to have is mid to high 70s with prerequisites such as English, advanced functions, chemistry, biology, and 2 U or M courses. Next on the list is a top 10 university according to Maclean's 2017 undergraduate ranking, Laurentian University. Their distinguished undergraduate Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science program requires a minimum overall average of 80%. The grade 12 courses required for this program are English, Advanced Functions, Biology, Chemistry, and 2 other U or M courses. Lastly, Trent University has an astounding Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science program that combines theory and practice to give you the upper hand in this field. This award-winning faculty and leading professionals will help you through a diverse range of topics in order to prepare you for the real world. A minimum average of 75% is required to apply, and prerequisite courses include English, Biology, Chemistry, and Calculus and Vectors, and 2 U or M courses. The graduate employment rate for a forensic scientist in Canada is 70.5%, with 14.7% studying further to specialize in areas such as DNA, fingerprints, or bullets. Entry-level forensic scientists usually have a bachelor's degree, while more advanced positions may require a master's degree in forensic science. The average starting salary, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, is about $56,000. Did you know that before the invention of scanners, computers, or phones, scientists had to go through millions of fingerprint cards in order to find a match? Technology has greatly advanced this field and made it so much easier to run a fingerprint through a database in order to find the culprit. Here are some major contributions to this field by science. In 1302, the first autopsy to determine cause of death was requested by an officer in Mongolia. In 1836, the first textbook of Theory of Forensic Toxicology was written by Albert Swain. In 1936, a woman's hair follicles led to the discovery of the killer, now known as trace evidence. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick discovered DNA. In 1974, John Boehm introduced gunshot residue detection. One major Canadian contribution to this field is none other than John Wilson Murray, also known as the Great Canadian Detective. He started his career as a police detective in 1840 and became one of the best scientific crime investigators. He became a provincial detective of Ontario and solved hundreds of crimes in his 31 years. He was the first one to utilize forensic science and information such as autopsies to solve his cases. From cross-checking evidence to the smallest detail was effective and innovative because no one has done it before. Overall, this career might be right for you if you have a passion for law and love for science. For more information, check these links below.